Ready to snag those Dhgate deals without breaking the bank all at once? Let's dive into how you can use Klarna to split your payments and make shopping even sweeter. First, head over to Dhgate and fill up your cart with all the goodies you desire. Then proceed to checkout as you normally would. When you reach the payment section, look for the Klarna option. It's usually displayed alongside other payment methods like credit cards and PayPal. Select Klarna as your preferred payment method. You'll be redirected to Klarna's website or app where you'll see different installment plans available for your purchase. Choose the plan that best fits your budget. After selecting your plan, Klarna will create an account for you, if you don't already have one, where you can track your purchases, payment due dates, and manage your payment methods. Be sure to remember your login details. Mark those payment dates on your calendar and set up reminders so you never miss a payment. Missing payments can affect your credit score and incur late fees. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your Dhgate finds while paying in convenient installments with Klarna. Happy shopping!